Upgrading software, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very common term in the digital world: upgrade software. Whether you're using a phone, computer, or any other digital device, understanding what it means to upgrade software is essential. Let's dive into this topic and make it as simple as possible. Upgrade software is a phrase that combines two words, upgrade and software. Let's break them down. Software refers to the programs and operating systems that run on your digital devices. It's like the brain of your device. Upgrade means to raise something to a higher standard, often bringing new features or improvements. When we combine these two, upgrade software means updating your software to a newer, often better version. It's like giving your device a new set of skills or improvements. Upgrading software is crucial for several reasons. 1. Security. Newer versions often have security enhancements that protect your device from viruses and hackers. 2. Features. Upgrades can bring new and improved features, making your device more efficient and enjoyable to use. 3. Performance. Software upgrades can fix bugs from previous versions, leading to better performance and fewer crashes. Upgrading software is usually a simple process. 1. Notification. Often, your device will notify you when an upgrade is available. 2. Approval. You usually need to give permission to start the upgrade. This might involve clicking a button like Update or Install. 3. Downloading and installing. The device will download and install the new software version. This might take some time and usually, your device will need to restart. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means to upgrade software. Remember, keeping your software up to date is important for security, performance, and enjoying the latest features. Stay safe and happy upgrading.